तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू चलता चल.
First is one point has come up through one student, and I find this as quite a common point for quite a few of our students and the youth. What happens? You tend to feel overwhelmed by things. एग्जाम आ रहा है, SSB होने वाला है, कुछ घर में क्राइसिस हो गया, एंड देन यू फील दैट कि क्या होगा, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट what we tend to do is we just give up our routine and our systematic plan, and we just allow the circumstances to take control of our lives. This is not a good thing to do. What you should do, you can go back to our time management matrix, and in that you will see that when you are getting overwhelmed, then a large number of things are taking place in your quadrant 1. They are urgent and they are important. So they tend to be overwhelming. So what we should realize is that we should not lose control, and such things cannot be of a permanent nature. We cannot be continuously firefighting. We got to have plans. Take the present example of what has happened to Indian society. We were struck by the COVID wave 1. We panicked and we got into a lockdown, which was wrong. But we did it. Anyway, we did that. Now, thereafter, we had a large gap to prepare for things, which we did not. These were all activities in quadrant 2. They were important, but they were not urgent. But as a nation, we were used to firefighting. So we did not do anything. Till again in March, we landed up in a crisis. And then again we were feeling overwhelmed. And then you saw what actions government was doing. So these kind of things, we at individual levels we tend to do. Don't do that. Fine. Even when you are getting overwhelmed by the circumstances, take stock of things, prioritize things, make a plan, and realize few facts that there are only 24 hours in a day, and you got to sleep at least 6 or 7 hours. Otherwise, you will be sleep deprived, and your retentivity and other things, bodily physiology will be adversely affected. And in that, prioritize things and keep working and hope for the best. Because that will give you better results in your daily productivity, as also your exams and the situations which you are confronting. So that is one point I wanted to make. Then few issues are there. That is about your self-confidence. Why there are quite a few people who are trying to look for information about SSB, ये select हुआ, ये reject हुआ, इस website में ये लिखा, इसने ये बोला, मेरे दोस्त ने ये बोला था. We are doing all these things when we lack confidence in ourselves, and we lack confidence in the methodology we are following. It is much better to deliberate and take a decision once as to what methodology to follow. Thereafter, just stick to it and not keep changing track, because by changing track, things will not work out well, and you will, as a result, be a confused person. And once you are confused, the results are unlikely to go your way. There is another interesting thing which I have noticed, which I wanted to discuss with you. There was one boy I interviewed, and he was very quite frank. I said, your academic knowledge is poor, your understanding of things is poor. And his view was that, sir, actually I have been one of the best in my class. So this assessment seems hard to digest. On this, I will tell you a story from my NDA days. When I was not a cadet but an instructor, I had one cadet of second term, he ran away and then he was brought back and reinstated. His story I came to know later because when somebody runs away, we are supposed to check his belongings and all that to gather some information we can know about this person. So, in that, a diary had been presented to him by his 11th class, students. He was a 12th class guy and he was from Sainik School, Koramunda. He was a strong, very muscular chap. And in the diary, it was written, "My dear Tyson." He was the Mike Tyson of his school. And the circumstances of his running away were something like this, that he was not very good at running cross country. And cross country competition was nearby. And the cross country captain, sixth termer, and his vice captain, fifth termer, they were training the team, and this person was lagging behind. So they used some chota stick, yet a twig kind of a thing to just give it on his back, but he could not run. So they said that okay, if you can't run, then what you do? You start crawling. So they made him crawl, and when they made him crawl, so then he had bleeding in his elbows and knees, and that is the time he got scared of the NDA training and he ran away at night. So after 3-4 days, his father had brought him back from Andhra Pradesh to Kadakwasla. So when I was just seeing this thing and when I spoke to this boy, I said, "Yeah, dekho, you were a Mike Tyson in your school, that was your reputation. And in NDA, what happened to you?" So it is this reality, a reality of NDA. He actually was no Mike Tyson. When the things became difficult, he did not cope up that well. And also, coming to this case of the person who was one of the better guys in his class, when we are talking in absolute terms, in the selection system, we have an idea as to what we have an imaginary benchmarks in our mind that this much of reasoning ability and understanding is okay. We cannot have it in very concrete, measurable terms. So on that scale, we are trying to measure. And in that, if you are not measuring up, we are making such pronouncements, which may be surprising to you. In my own case, I will tell you, in my school, I was supposed to be a top class discus thrower and a champion. When I joined NDA and I said that I will take part in athletics, I found that there were 3 cadets who could throw discus further than me in India squadron itself. And thereafter, I never came close to athletics ever in NDA or in Ironman or later in life. So these are some of the things which we have to realize that, our perceptions may not be very accurate. We may be thinking, comparing ourselves to a small circle of people who we are knowing, but when we get exposed to a bigger sphere of life, we tend to lose confidence. What we should do is not lose confidence. We should try and build up our abilities step by step.